money buying you fame. I'm fucking on, I'm killing it with this song. You haters can sing along or go back where you belong. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with giving up, moving on. Cause I took your girl to prom, she can't help but sing this song.
Till the roof comes off, till the lights go out, till my legs give out, can't shut my mouth, till the smoke clears out, and my high progress. I'ma rip this shit till my bones collapse. Till the roof comes off, till the lights go out, till my legs give out, can't shut my mouth, till the smoke clears out, and my high progress. I'ma rip this shit till my bones collapse.
She's so on like a light switch, burning back. There's nothing wrong with the way that she's working that. I just want that body bad, come on baby, bring it back. I'm so gone, faded off a 30 rack. She's so on like a light switch, burning back. There's nothing wrong with the way that she's working that. I just want that body bad, come on baby, bring it back. I rap with a passion, yeah, I got it in me. I've been waiting quite a long time for y'all to hear me. It's about damn time you put some stock into me. You're either sponsoring me or fucking bothering me. And the fact is, we just practice on this madness. That is why your status is like a canvas. Chances our advancement is enhancing, and this new expansion's like a mansion.
Comes off, till the lights go out, till my legs give out, can't shut my mouth, till the smoke clears out, and my high progress. I'ma rip this shit till my bones collapse. Till the roof comes off, till the lights go out, till my legs give out, can't shut my mouth, till the smoke clears out, and my high progress. I'ma rip this shit till my bones collapse.
Haven't been the same ever since my name was born. The forecast of this game is I bring the storm, so I'll ring this doorbell, or should I walk right in? Just know that I don't smell, look, or gotta talk like him. Not a doctor, Slim, Snoop Dogg, Tupac, rock him. Even if we were chickens, wouldn't clock like him. Be on the block again with the biggest Glock I can. But know you're 25 years old, look at the clock again. I'm Clark Kent. That life was kryptonite. I used to ignite the crib, now I rip the mic. Like I flipped a bike, break a rip, I might. I always force my lungs to full capacity when I write. The tenacity of a knight, my pencil is my spear. Precise ear, utensils and nice beer. This is a prize here, there's a surprise near. Give me the beef, baby, and tell me when to slice here. Just the best on site to my insecticide. I'll slash and wreck the side of your throat and have your neck decide if you're decapitated. Cause life is all about the fate. One day you're a savage, the other day you're found bait. I was carved to harm a fellow, armed with a pillow. He's upside down in his bed like an armadillo. Alarm until I'm out of energy like battery. I'm like an unsuccessful diet, cause now you see a fatter me. Smoke, pop a pill and kill a pheno. Until my face get a mean shade of red like a Filipino. You sold out like a filled kino. While I'm so loco, some people even say blanco Latino. My mind is like headbutts, cause when it hits it'll snap the top of your head off like haircuts. I'm used to slashing the torso of the abdomen, so if you battle them after me you're only getting half the men. Yeah, I'm still in the beginning, still into the small, the middle, the big women, still into the tall, the little, the thick women, still into the crawling, crippled and sick women, quick grinning. I've been into a lot of pinnacle, gotta be mentally out of it, into a lot of handling simple narcotics, mental psychotic, fucking with candles, robotics, nipples and buttocks, girls. Who wanted with the kid? Yeah, repeat the flow. Who coming with the beef? Yeah, I see meat and go. On a good day, I shoot knees, feet and toe. Execution on a bad defeat. the row. Oh, so now you wanna taste the coke gram? Well, look around, now you gotta face the program. Next thing you know, you're getting chased. Oops, I told jam, I told ya. Now you get erased with no chance. I'm speaking like this cause I've been through this. Take a soft MC and put a pin through this. I'm into this. I never mean to disrespect anyone who's ever been into less, but I'm into trespassing, put him into rest. Rest in peace, motherfucker, make him eat the rest. Bacon, meat, and breast, chicken gets beef addressed. If you fight to the tooth, put the teeth to best. He's too messed, yeah, a little bit zany. Insane he's been ever since a trainee. And draining, every single flow must go. This ain't training, every single Joe must know what it's like to lose a battle. The low is low when you say yes to bro and no to ho. Where you don't ride with police, say no to po. Where goodbye is peace and hello is yo. Back in first grade, I took advantage of first aid. At first a band-aid, then a nurse with her first rape. My perverse ways emerged in person on my first day on Thursday. They kicked me out and let her stay. The curse stayed, and it stayed in the worst way. I've been thirsty ever since my first birthday, where I was allowed to have bottles burst and always cursing. Oh God, please reverse me. It hurts me, but I love it when I do ill. I'm only too ill and above when I do kill. In my verses, first is I'm versus every single little man, bitch with purses. Heavy on your gut, your sandwich reverses. Every single little man twitching. Worst is the worst is I can't switch these urges, and you're just a pure mess when it emerges. I told this girl that it was okay back in my country. She said you'll never touch me, nor will you ever munch me. She said you'll never crunch me, even if you punch me. So I knocked her out and ate her like my lunch beat. Let's go flip-flop, cause I'm back to this. I'm a pissed off hip-hop activist. Smack the wrist, lip lock half the biz. I'm a schizo sick lock holding Maximus. Your mission is to better zoom, multi-part your vision. Mental vision, go through metal tissue like a car collision. Our condition, dudes succeed the feuds in UFC. Our tradition is to get sued cause you can't see. Epilepsy and seizures, I'm shaking blitz. Taking splits up in your chest like some faking tits. Forsaken and quits your kids when I'm making hits. Cause I ain't got beef, I'm fat, I got bacon bits. I was messed up, but now my pace is fine again. I'm walking side to side off the case of Heineken. In case I die again, I know I got my boys behind me. We got you itching for that green plant like some poison ivy. The noise inside me makes you look like a jasmine. You ain't a present, a future, you ain't even a has-been. A visionary, I see past them. I'm lasting cause my rhymes spin like a ski class in Aspen. I'm like a farmer, every time I roll sedation I get approached by more pigs than a police station. Always hesitation, probation with 30 issues. I'm European, you're white trash like some crushed up dirty tissues. Got a bill in front of me, my name is Cosby. Your crazy posse cost me to place these grenades across me. Suicidal kamikaze, even if it costs me. Boss me and you'll end up paralyzed up in a frame like Ozzy. I will fight a bull, see me push and pull. My words are like pins, I got a cushion full. I'm uninvitable cause I'm commotion full. Kill off the puppet master, I'll come bush is bull. My tush is full, this me an experience exertion. I'm serious, kill off your previous and next version. You can't speak, you're just a text virgin. While I'm precise when it comes to my throat like a neck surgeon. You're always check searching, but money's not the answer. Money won't make you dance when you say honey I've got cancer. I got a decade of support like a top fancer. While you make moves in the back like a pop dancer. I'm not top 10 so I must be irrelevant. Developing my element and elevate an elephant. I put the hell up in anyone trying to exist. Sit down and write a rhyme, try me I insist.
Get up! I'm setting up a groove in the back. Get up! Blank is raising up the roof, that's a fact. Get up! Check it up! Yo, I'm above you like a bird brain. Increase a murder rate. If you never heard of me, I'm back like a vertebrae. They give me loyalty, that of a fair commissioner. The only time you had fans was with a broken air conditioner. You're a royalty bitch, I rinse jars. I'll make a princess die when I come illa like Prince Charles. You wussy, you came into the gynecologist office with your girl. The doctor looked at you first like you're the pussy. You wrote a rhyme, but it was played, you were too late. The only punchline you ever put in your mouth was Kool-Aid. You'll get boxed and beat on, mama, I'm so sorry, but my delivery's special like oxymeron. I'm bananas with my mouth, I got jungle lips. The only time you had 16 bars was when you bought a box of chocolates. I'm strong like moonshine, you better watch your liver. Your lines are so weak, it says fragile when you deliver. I'm setting up a groove in the back. Get up! Blank is raising up the roof, that's a fact. I'm setting up any competitor ready to be a repetitive additive. I'm better than any competitor betted on me after I had a fit. Get up! Upsetting every dude with the crack. Get up! Cause blank is the only truth in the pack. I'm setting setting up any competitor ready to be a repetitive additive. I'm better than any competitor betted on me after I had a fit. My inefficient vision of inner fishing got me deficient in a mission of competition and intermission. But I'm ill, son, you need me like Tom Hanks needs Wilson. I heard your girl had a baby boy, say hello to my little son. After my text noise, who's next, boys? Oh wait, I forgot you're a lonely fuck like sex toys. You make virgins less virgin, watching you'll see. Cause when they shake your hand, that's the closest they get to touching a pussy. I don't do shows, I just talk shit mostly. Cause after I do a show, they say I'm fake like Kashpirovsky. If you got a ghostwriter, then I got a spirit to fight. You thought I horked at Tyson when I said I spit at the mic. I'm dope and I got munchies too. You got no punchlines, rapper. Armless people have more punches than you. Blank will wear you out when I give you a blast. You'll see more hardware than a computer class. I'm setting up a groove in the back. Get up! Blank is raising up the roof, that's a fact. I'm setting up any competitor ready to be a repetitive additive. I'm better than any competitor betted on me after I had a fit. Upsetting every dude with the crack. Get up! Cause Blank is the only truth in the pack. I'm setting up any competitor ready to be a repetitive additive. I'm better than any competitor betted on me after I had a fit. It on. Motherfuckers been spitted on. Got the black on white like Sin City's on. Got a sensitive arm, you ain't half as ill. I grab a silly rapper simply like a daffodil. I laugh until you snap and admit a mill indeed. Any melody I flow on, I'm like toes on a millipede. I got multiples, you put bros on a pillow bee. I take shots at you foes like the nose on artillery. Like clothes on Hillary, I'm straight like a suit jacket. You moved to Russia, became a skinhead and still